Welcome to the Grain Discovery Bootcamp, where you will learn how to use your custom-built marketplace to simplify the way you buy and sell your grain. Today, we're talking about on-farm storage. To monitor on-farm storage levels, navigate to the sidebar menu by swiping right from the edge of the screen or by selecting the menu button in the top left corner and select On-Farm Storage. Use the yellow plus button to add a new bin. You will be prompted to enter details including the bin name, farm location, commodity, and capacity. Make sure you click Save at the bottom of the page. Once a bin is created, in the main farm storage page, it should be available to manage under the correct commodity. Click the commodity by bringing up the list of bins and click the one you wish to update. You can edit the details and add or remove volume to make sure your storage levels are always accurate. And that's it. Learn more about all the latest features at graindiscovery.com or go on our YouTube to follow even more Grain Discovery Bootcamps.